Stellar is a mid-positioned cryptographic money at present estimated at $130.994 that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $3,763,759,632. Over the beyond couple of years, digital forms of money, including Stellar, laid out a sought areas of strength in the worldwide monetary world and are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary standards forks in a truly significant way. A few institutional financial backers in any event generally consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an unobtrusive way. Retail financial backers and dealers essentially are keen on digital currencies, for example XLM, on the grounds that this truly is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources have the, in every practical sense, potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a somewhat beautiful brief time frame, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. These profits are truly out of reach in really different business sectors, which is the justification for why most moderate financial backers especially are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Stellar, while the groundbreaking ones dedicate a critical piece of their genuinely cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in an unobtrusive manner. At this especially specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Stellar to the level at $130.994 where it at present sits, or so they especially thought. As currently referenced, XLM generally is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 31st spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the metric that not entirely set in stone by duplicating the truly current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. So these profits certainly are somewhat out of reach in truly different business sectors, which basically is the justification for why most truly moderate financial backers are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with cryptographic forms of money like Stellar, while the groundbreaking ones commit a critical part of their, in every practical sense, cash flow to this quickly creating resource class. On account of Stellar, the market capitalization generally remains at $3,763,759,632. The significance of this boundary will be truly made sense of later, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Our cost expectation calculation basically is planned in exceptionally such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to furnish our endorsers with the most reliable data on the truly present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily really evaluate the condition of their portfolio and basically choose whether or not it fundamentally should be reconfigured, or so they thought. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which in every practical sense is truly irreplaceable for the kind of right assessment of both most certainly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its truly present and future heading. So on account of Stellar, the market capitalization especially remains at $3,763,759,632. The significance of this boundary will truly be in every practical sense made sense of later in a truly significant manner. Underneath, you will explicitly find in every practical sense key extracts of this authentic information with a goal that you also could have a comprehension of where the Stellar market really is going, or so they explicitly thought. Yesterday on Walk 22, XLM generally was esteemed at $1.33.96 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Recall that cryptographic forms of money for the most part are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change rate-wise over the said period essentially added up to 124%, which generally is very critical. 7 days prior, on Walk 16, Stellar fundamentally was exchanged at $130.6926 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that especially near its kind of present situation in an unpretentious manner. On February 23, which explicitly was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged XLM at $114.360, the cost level that certainly is at the distance of 14.55% from where it at present explicitly remains in a very significant manner. The cost of XLM and the readings of CVIX generally are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, which in a real sense is very critical. Market capitalization essentially is another significant pretty metric that truly assists traders with truly deciding the prevalence of the cryptographic money being referred to as well as its future possibilities in an unpretentious manner. It's likewise used to, for the most part, evaluate the offer that Stellar truly holds inside the truly whole digital money market. So, on account of Stellar, the market capitalization explicitly remains at $3,763,759,632. The significance of this boundary will be truly made sense of later, or so they really thought. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization by and large is somewhat basic. The coursing supply of the money being referred to truly is duplicated by its kind of current cost in a kind of enormous manner. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of XLM fundamentally remains at $3,763,759,632, enough to name it the 31st, actually the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, which in a real sense is very critical. Yesterday, on Walk 22, the market capitalization of Stellar remained at $3,822,985,540 in an in every practical sense significant way. 7 days prior, on Walk 16, the capitalization of XLM in every way that really matters was $3,926,206,933, which sort of is very critical. A month prior, on February 23, how much really capital streaming around this genuinely specific? The rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a really certain cryptographic money and its capacity to basically endure disturbances which explicitly are the normal event on this exceptionally unstable market, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The greatest stock of Stellar especially is 50's N1-806-812 XLM. The sort of complete stock of XLM as of now for the most part remains at 50-1-787-08 coins in an extremely enormous manner. The circling supply of the cryptographic money under survey in every practical sense is 28,732,236,800 XLM, or so they thought. This Stellar cost forecast wouldn't in a real sense be really finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by practically all cryptographic money dealers to especially affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move, showing how it's likewise used to, for the most part, survey the offer that Stellar holds inside the extremely whole digital currency market. So on account of Stellar, the market capitalization by and large stands at $3,763,759,632. The significance of this boundary will especially be basically made sense of later in a very significant manner. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain, especially as happening on the rear of the extremely low exchanging volume, there sort of is a high likelihood that this move is impractical and would by and large bring about a bullish snare, which shows that our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which sort of is somewhat vital for the in every practical sense right assessment of both kind of current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its especially present and future course. So on account of Stellar, the market capitalization remains at $3,763,759,632. The significance of this boundary will truly be essentially made sense of later, which generally is genuinely critical. Hence, it means a lot to sort of examine the specific